Natural gas daily forecast, December 20th, fxempire.com. The natural gas markets had a slightly down day for the session on Monday as the market fell as low as $3.05. The consolidation that we had based most of our analysis off of early in the year was based, and you'd have to go much farther back in this chart, but based on a consolidation range of $5 to $4. We broke out of that, and when you break out of a consolidative area like that, you expect to repeat the height of the rectangle. And as such, it gave us a target of $3. $3.05 is certainly close enough to that target for us. We, at this point in time, wouldn't advise selling for multiple reasons, but the main reason really doesn't even have as much to do with that as it does to do with the fact that it is the end of the year. Volumes will drop off, and we could see massive short covering, and as a result, the natural gas markets could suddenly spike the later we get into the week. That's okay though, because those of us who take a look at the bigger picture understand the United States has 14 trillion cubic feet of natural gas that it is currently sitting on underground. It's not even in the market, and at the same time, we're having trouble finding places to store this stuff. Quite frankly, we have more natural gas than we know what to do with. This is going to be very, very bearish and create a lot of downward pressure on prices for quite some time. Because of this, it is a sell-only market, and what we simply are doing is we're waiting for little bits of rallies. The holidays will more than likely get that short covering rally and thin market conditions. We could see 325 come into play as it is a gap and should be significant resistance. Then, of course, the 350, 375, and again at $4. Very technical market if you are willing to wait for about every 25 cents. It is because of this that we are paying attention to each one of those levels as we bounce, at least in theory, from the $3 handle, and perhaps earlier than next year, but definitely by next year, we will start to see a reversal and a continuation from that bounce to a downward pressure. If we do not get a bounce over the holidays from short covering, that's an even more ominous sign. Either way, we're selling, but we'd like to sell at higher prices. We want to be a little farther from the $3 handle so that we can have some momentum with our selling position.